In this tutorial, Surfpoint will walk you through setting up your SiteGround account step by step, quick and easy, so you can get your WordPress website up and running in no time. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process of setting up and installing WordPress using SiteGround. From registering your domain to getting your website online, I'll show you how easy it is to get started with a reliable, fast, and secure hosting platform that Surfpoint strongly recommends. To get started, click the link in the description below to head over to the SiteGround homepage. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you see the Hosting for WordPress section. Now click Get Started. And now scroll down to view the 3 hosting plans that SiteGround offers. All of SiteGround's plans come with a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate, and free email accounts. The Startup plan gives you everything you need to run a single small website. The Grow Big plan is perfect if you're managing more than one website and need extra features. And finally, the Go Geek plan, which comes with advanced features designed for larger or more resource-heavy websites. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Startup plan. It's a great entry-level option, and you can always upgrade later if you need more features. Once you've clicked on the Select Plan button, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose your domain name and select the extension you want to use. If you already have a domain name that you want to transfer, you can do that here. If not, you'll need to register a new domain name to use with your hosting plan. Enter your chosen domain name. And now click on the domain extension box. Here, you can choose the domain extension you want. Popular top-level domains like .com, .net, and .co.uk are free for the first year. Once you have chosen, click Continue. If your chosen domain name is available, you'll see a congratulations message confirming it's ready to register. In the account information section, enter a contact email and create a secure password. These details will be used to set up your SiteGround account. If you already have an account, you can log in here. The client information section is used to register your domain, so make sure all the details you enter are accurate. The next section is for your payment details. Enter your credit or debit card information to complete your account setup. The next section lets you select the duration of your hosting plan. You can go month to month or choose a 1 or 2 year plan. Going for a longer term gives you the best value for your money. Also in this section, make sure to select a data center that's closest to your location for the best speed and performance. In the next section, if you've chosen a free domain, the checkbox will already be selected. If not, you'll see the cost you'll need to pay for the domain. Site Scanner is a service that continuously monitors your website to detect any malicious content or threats. The premium backup service backs up your website every hour. If you regularly add content, you might not need this, as SiteGround already includes daily backups with your plan. And finally, there's the email marketing service to help you manage and grow your mailing lists. Finally, all that's left to do is check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and optionally, you can also choose to receive updates and information by email. Now click Pay Now. After clicking Pay Now, enter the verification code sent to you. Once your account is confirmed, verify your domain via email, then you're ready to start building your website. Now click Set Up Site. You'll now be on the Add New Website page, which should look like this. Since you've registered a new domain, you will select Existing Domain. For this tutorial, I'll choose Temporary Domain, but the setup process is exactly the same. You'll see some extra options, but if you don't need them, just skip and click Finish to continue. Your site will now be created, so sit back and give it a couple of minutes to complete. On this page, you can view your new site. It won't look like much just yet, but that will change as you start customizing it. Now click on Site Tools. Once you're on the SiteGround dashboard, you'll be able to manage and control all aspects of your website. The toolbar on the left-hand side gives you access to all the essential tools to manage your website. From here, you can edit and organize your website files, restore backups if anything goes wrong, create and manage email accounts, adjust domain settings, and access many other features that help keep your site running smoothly and securely. Now click Install and manage WordPress. If you know you'll need an online shop, you can choose WordPress plus WooCommerce. Otherwise, just select WordPress to set up a standard website. The application setup is straightforward. Make sure your domain and language are correct, and leave the installation path set to the main folder. Create a username and password, and enter your email address. You use these to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Make sure to uncheck the option to Install with WordPress Starter if you want a fresh installation. Now click Install. Your WordPress website has now been successfully installed and is ready to use. Click Admin Panel. And that's it. You're now on your WordPress dashboard, ready to start building your website. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how easy SiteGround makes it to install WordPress. To actually build your website, check out our other video, Create a Stunning Website Like a Pro. You'll find links to that video, SiteGround, and other helpful resources in the description below.